Spotahome, Florence, and today I'm going to be your home checker. This apartment is situated in Via 24 Maggio, which is in the Statuto neighborhood, just behind the Statuto train station. It has different shops and restaurants and other facilities nearby, and it's just 15 minutes away from the city center and from the central station, which can be reached by buses or with the tramvia. This apartment is composed by a main entrance, one single bedroom, private toilet, a kitchen and another bathroom. So follow me as I show you around. Okay, let me close the door, and as we came inside the apartment, we see there's a main entrance with a nice library. We got the toilet on our left and the main bedroom on our right. As we go inside the bedroom, we can see it's a really nice and brightful room with a single bed on the left, a huge closet built-in. Let me open that. You can see you got all the space you need to store your clothes. It's gonna be empty. And there's a wonderful terrace here. We got a desk with a chair, a mirror, some books in another library. There's a chest of drawers here, some shelvings on the left side of the door, and that's the window, which has a really enjoyable view of the outside. You can see some trees and all the amazing view of Florence. So that's the view. Really enjoyable during the summer in the sunlight. Now let's move to the private toilet, which has just, as we will see, a bidet, a sink. Here it is. There's a nice window in front of us, a toilet, a sink, a bidet. There's a mirror over here and some shelvings to store your stuff. That's the private bathroom of the guest, and there's another one which has a shower. Here are the two little doggies of this beautiful house. So this is the other bathroom, which has a huge shower on our left and a bath too. There's the bidet, the toilet, the sink, some drawers and some little closets to store your stuff. And this is in community with the landlord. It has a window that opens up this little patio. And now let's move to the kitchen. Outside from the bathroom, we got the kitchen on our left here. It's a fully equipped kitchen. There's a nice fridge, lots of drawers and closets to store everything in it. Here, as we can see, it's fully furnished. There's a vent, some nice hair here. It's so hot. We got, as you can see, some spaces for food and for glasses and food. There is an oven, the stove, the gas stove, a sink, a washing machine here. There's this huge fridge with the refrigerator too, a table with two chairs to have your dinner or breakfast or whatever you want. And there is a small terrace here with some other spaces for food and storage. Two nice little birds that will make you enjoy the view from here. Other trees, nice house, nice buildings. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the apartment, and if you want to know more information, you can check them on spotahome.com. See you.